up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm going to be using the Schwarzkopf Bond Enforcing Color Remover. I've used this on a wig before, on Tina, if you ever saw that video from several months ago, and it worked really well. It got all the colors out of that wig except for the yellow, which shouldn't be a problem here. No yellow to be had. So we'll see how it goes. I'm actually going to do kind of like a bleach bath version of this, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few pumps of this after I've mixed it up as per the directions. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up and put it on my hair. As far as it went, I had 3 packets of each of the A and B, so 3 of those did not do it, clearly. Something tells me I'll be taking a trip to Sally's later. Unfortunately, they don't have the Schwarzkopf Bond Enforcing Color Remover there. I ordered what I have off of Amazon, and it came in like a pack of 5. This was all I had left of that. I might end up doing a bleach bath, actually. We'll see. I'll be back to show you what it looks like after I get this out. It's 2 days later, and it basically was a fail for the most part. It did get it to an orange, like how it was before I put this pink purple on, but that's still not light enough for what I'm wanting to do next. So I'm going to just do a bleach bath. I'm going to use just a 10 volume developer along with L'Oreal Quick Blue, because there is so much orange in my hair from all the orange I've been putting in it. I figured the blue will hopefully help neutralize those tones as it's lightening and hopefully removing pigment, and water it down with some Head and Shoulders, as well as the Absolute Perfection Booster added to this as well. So far, my hair is doing okay integrity-wise, but that could change with one bleaching. So I still need to be careful. I still need to be nice to my hair. So yeah, hopefully this is gonna do the trick. We'll see. So I totally forgot to put the Perfection Boosters in, so that kind of sucks. Especially considering I went and bought those specifically for this reason. Oh well, on the bright side, this looks like it's lightening my hair very quickly, so I'm not going to have to leave this on for long at all. And since it was only a 10 volume developer, it shouldn't be super damaging. I'm going to give this maybe 5 more minutes and then rinse it out and do some deep conditioning for sure. Okay, here it is, and not what I was hoping for. I've got the strawberry tone coming through right here. My roots, of course, are lightened a little bit. I am going to take care of that, I think, before I do my next hair color. I guess I'm just going to be blonde for a few days, at least. Yeah. It's not totally dry yet, but you do get the gist. Yeah, I think that's going to conclude this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.